Welcome to our channel How to Hub. In today's video, we're going to guide you through the process of starting your own YouTube channel. YouTube is a fantastic platform for sharing your passions and connecting with a global audience. Let's get started. Step 1. Find your niche and define your content. The first step in starting a YouTube channel is finding your niche and defining the type of content you want to create. Explore your passions. Identify topics or interests that you're knowledgeable about and genuinely passionate about sharing. Research your audience. Determine who your target audience is and what kind of content they're interested in. Define your unique style. Consider how you can bring your own personality and unique perspective to your videos. Step 2. Set up your channel. Setting up your YouTube channel is a crucial step in establishing your online presence. Create a Google account. If you don't already have one, create a Google account that will serve as the foundation for your YouTube channel. Customize your channel. Choose a catchy channel name and design an appealing channel banner and logo that reflect your brand. Optimize your channel description. Write a compelling and informative channel description, including keywords relevant to your content. Step 3. Plan and create engaging content. Creating high-quality and engaging content is key to attracting and retaining viewers. Plan your content strategy. Outline a content calendar, brainstorm video ideas, and create a variety of content that appeals to your target audience. Invest in good equipment. Consider investing in a quality camera, microphone, and lighting setup to enhance the production value of your videos. Edit your videos. Use video editing software to refine your footage. Add transitions, graphics, and captions for a polished final product. Step 4. Optimize your videos for search SEO. Optimizing your videos for search engines will help your content get discovered by a wider audience. Conduct keyword research. Identify relevant keywords and phrases related to your video topic and incorporate them in your titles, descriptions, and tags. Write compelling titles and descriptions. Craft attention-grabbing titles and engaging descriptions that accurately represent your video's content. Utilize thumbnails and metadata. Create visually appealing thumbnails and add relevant metadata to attract viewers and improve search visibility. Step 5. Promote your channel and engage with your audience. Promoting your channel and engaging with your audience is crucial for building a community of loyal viewers. Share on social media. Utilize social media platforms to promote your videos, engage with your audience, and build a following. Respond to comments. Take the time to respond to comments on your videos, fostering a sense of community and encouraging engagement. Collaborate with others. Collaborate with other YouTubers or influencers in your niche to reach new audiences and expand your network. These were the first 5 steps to help you start your YouTube channel. In the next part of this series, we'll cover additional strategies, including monetizing your channel, analyzing your video performance, and growing your subscriber base. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Remember, starting a YouTube channel is an exciting journey. See you in the next video.